here we come to the elevator at the Highland parking garage at the U of A in Tucson, Arizona. And guess who I have with me? Alright, we're gonna start out by going down to G. Door close button works. Scenic elevator. We got a little window down here. Intelligent leveling. We'll go up to 6. And the door closes when you push the button. We'll watch the indicator going up. Installed in 2005. Check this out. A little bit of classic leveling. It opens with the door. It levels with the door open. Let's go down to G. And we'll watch out here. This is a very nice elevator. And we'll go up, I'll get my cab view down here. And we're gonna go back up to 6 because there's, oh, are you guys going up? Are you guys going up? No. What floor?
3, please. Thank you.
Here we go up. And we're gonna stop at 3. You guys have a good day.
You too.
This has EPCO SurvivorPlus fixtures. Capacity 4,000 pounds. Installed in 2005. The same year I was born. ADA compliant phone. You gonna step out so I can get my cab view? Alright, there's the interlock, GAL interlock. It's the manufacturer. Alright, and now look at this. We got a view. We got a view over here, and check this out. I can zoom in way out here. There's Tucson house over there. You can see, can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right. There's Hub over there, and it looks like they're building another. There's a crane, so that means they're building something else out there now too. There's aerospace and mechanical. There's and then I think that's engineering. And you cannot see One South Church over there. And there's Banner UMC right there. So we'll go over to, there's another set of elevators here. This is a bank of 2 instead of just the 1. Up there is the machine room. This is a traction elevator, not hydraulic. It's got ropes. And we cannot go in that building. That's applied research building, but the security is very tight there. Then we're gonna go down to this set of elevators. I gotta remember that I parked on 2. And then we'll go over there through the underpass. This is a very awesome view. There's Mount Lemmon over there. And then here's this set of elevators. All right. These do not have the intelligent leveling like the other kind. And should be working. I hear one coming. There it is. It's this one. These are very similar to the other one, except this one takes longer to level. Here you can actually see up the shaft a little bit. Interlock, GAL interlock. And we'll go down to G. We'll take this on one ride. Capacity 2,500 pounds. This has a different capacity. And this does not have intelligent leveling, so you'll see it levels in stages. Yep, now, there we go. 2 stages of leveling. All right, let's go up to 6. Door close works. Capacity 2,500 pounds. I believe this also has an ADA phone. Yep, it's a different one though. Also EPCO SurvivorPlus Vandal Resistant Fixtures. And we look. Yep, there we go. Oh, it says that's the door. It's part of the shaft door. These are awesome elevators. They run pretty well still. And here it is, round one. There's a golf cart in the garage right now, sounds like. I think. And there it goes. And you want to say bye?
Bye.
And that's it.